We are going to see about the operators. Operators is nothing but like it's a special symbols or keywords used to perform the operation on data. They help compare the values, combine condition, perform the calculation, and filter the records in SQL queries. So these are the operators which we have, okay? And we'll go one by one accordingly. So let's say over here, very first we have greater than and less than operator. So let's understand data first. What data we have? Table, frame. So let's run this. So this is what data I have, where I have the film name, film release date, then film runtime minutes, film budget dollars, film box office dollars, Oscar nomination, and Oscar wins. So you can take any column over here and play around it with this greater than and less than as a numeric column. Okay, so I'm taking film Oscar wins. So let's understand this one. Select film name, film Oscar wins. Okay, form table film. Okay, and now let's run this data. So I will get this two column. In short, I choose a specific two columns only. Okay. Later, what we want to retrieve the data where film Oscar wins is greater than 8. So this is what operator we are checking. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to type a where condition where film Oscar wins is greater than 8. Okay. Now execute it and see the result. Okay. So this is what you have to play around. We have reduced the data where film Oscar wins is equal to or greater than 8. So simply you have to copy this code and over here you have to change greater than equal to. Okay. And now execute. So you will get 8 value as well as more than 8 value as well. Okay. Next, what you have to do, retrieve the data where film Oscar win is less than 5. But make sure this data should present in your table, then only you will get this value. Otherwise, you will not get. Okay. So let's see the next one. So less than 5, just put less than 5 and execute it. So you will get 247 rows. Okay. And if you do over here, order by film Oscar wins descending. So see over here, I'm getting form 4. Okay. So it's a less than 5. Now next, let's say if I want to add less than equal to 5, then I have to copy this code and just put like this, less than equal to 5. Okay. And execute it. So it will include 5 as well if data is present. What is next? Retrieve the data where film Oscar wins is between 5 and 8. Okay. So I want a range between 5 to 8. So you have to use between operator over here. Like select film name, film Oscar wins from table film where film Oscar wins between 5 and 8. Now execute. So you will get all the range if it's present. Okay. Now next, over here, what we are saying, exclude this range, which is between 5 and 8. So only what you have to do over here, you have to use next operator called as not between 5 and 8. Execute it. Okay. Next, we have AND operator. So in AND, both condition must be satisfied or more than two condition must be satisfied. So over here, what I'm going to do, I will use this scenario. I will put over here. Now see the result set what I am getting. So I have two movie name who owns 11 film Oscar wins. Okay. So I want a specific one. Let's say Titanic. So I will use AND operator and film name equals to title. Okay. Now try to run. See, I am getting the result because both conditions satisfy is greater than 8 and movie name is also there. Okay. Let's say if I put some wrong information, let's say over here as a test, and if I execute this, it will not work out. See, I'm not getting the result because we don't have film name as a test in our data. Okay. Now, same condition if I take in an OR operator, it will work out because one of the condition is getting satisfied, this one. Okay, let's see. Okay. So in OR operator, any one condition is get satisfied, it will show the result. Okay. Next, what we have reduced the data matching the multiple condition using the OR operator. Okay. In short, I want to pull the movie details more than one movie. Okay. So let me show you by using the OR operator. So let's say I want this movie, Titanic, Waterworld, and Pearl Harbor. Okay. Now, if I put over here, and if I use the OR operator, let's say where film name equals to Titanic, okay, or film name equals to Waterworld, or film name equals to Pearl Harbor, okay. So it will show the result, okay, by using the OR operator. Getting my point? Now, if I want to pull same data by using the in operator, then I will go with this query like this, film name in. Okay. So I'm getting the result via this query as well as this query. But recommended one is in operator in such scenario because if you have more than one movie or let's say any data which is more than one, then you have to go with the in operator. Okay. And also remember whenever you are using the text value, you have to put as a single quotation. Now next what we have, exclude the film Titanic using the not equal to operator. Okay, so let's take this data and over here film name not equal to Titanic. Okay, so this is one method where you can utilize not equal to. Second method what we have, this one. Let's say this one, not equal to. Okay, so either or you can utilize. After that, what we have excludes the rows a value of the zero from the film Oscar wins. So whatever the value we have zero as a film Oscar wins, that I want to see. In short, who owns the award? That list I want. Okay. So let's take this upper query and in where condition film Oscar wins not equal to zero. Okay. So I will get the result who owns the Oscar wins, those movie details. Okay. Now the next what we have like operator. Let's say if I want to retrieve the data where film names start with K. So what you have to do? You have to copy this again and put over here where film name like K percentage. Okay. So from K it's starting like that. Okay. So see all starting with the K. Next what we have? We want to retrieve the data where film name start with Harry keyword. Okay. Now it's a single letter we took over here. We're taking one string that is called as Harry as a start. Okay. See over here. All Harry series is coming over here. Now next what we have retrieves the data where film name ends with E. So copy this one and film name like ending with E. That is what we're saying, right? Then you have to use percentage first and then E. Now run it. So see over here we have these details. Okay. So that is ending with the E. Now next what we have retrieved the data where film name ends with code. So same query you have to pick and you have to put over here, let's say CODE. Okay. Now let's run it. Okay, so see this is the movie which is ending with the code. Now next what we have? Find the keyword king anywhere within the film name column. Okay, anywhere means you have to write code like this, film name like two times percentage and center require your keyword. Okay, now run it. So see, the Lord of the Rings return the king. It's coming at the end. Okay, here, then here, then here. Okay. Next, what we have retrieved the data where film names start with A, B, C, D. Means form the film name start with A, then B, then C, and then D. So for this scenario, what you have to do, you have to copy this code and put the range. So range will be available like this, A dash D, okay, then single quotation, percentage, single quotation. Now execute this code. Okay, so see, this is what data I'm getting. And also we can do one more thing to understand in better way, order by film name. So we'll get to know whether it's coming correctly or not. So see, A, then we have B, then C, and then letter D. Okay. Now what we want next, retrieve the data where film names start with A and D. Okay. So for that, what you have to do, you have to use this one and I want film name A and D. Okay. So you can type the bracket and put like this A comma D percentage. Okay. And then put the single quotation and execute it. So this is what data we have for A and D. Okay. So this is all about operators. Thank you.